Guys, I actually give up. I'll be real, guys. I don't really know where blush goes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I created this makeup look for you guys because my Eid makeup tutorial last year did well. So I thought, let me treat you guys to another one. It's only right. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, make sure you guys keep on watching. For this life I cannot change. So how's everyone's Ramadan been, guys? Because mine's been decent, I can't lie. Like, I'm so proud of myself because can't lie, I've done so much better than what I've done in the past, so that's all that matters to me, you know, the fact that I've done better than what I was doing before Ramadan and other Ramadans. Do you know what I mean? I guess it's the intentions that all that matters, do you know what I mean? But I can't lie, guys, do you know, like when you have that 1 week, yeah, and then you go back into fasting and whatnot and you just keep flopping, is the most stressful thing ever, because you're just so proud of yourself. You're like, oh my god, like you're doing so good, and randomly out the blue you just have that 1 week where you're doing nothing, not praying, and then you try and go back into like your routine and you just can't, because you've just been not doing that for a whole week. As much as we all love that 1 week off, but I don't like it, I really don't. I'd rather just go through the whole month and pray every day, and do you know what I mean? Like stopping and starting is just, it's jarring mate. And then guys, I ended up getting ill, so I'm on antibiotics, so I think I've only fasted like a week and a half out of this Ramadan. I've got a lot of days to go back this year, but it is what it is. Well, like, you can't help it if you get ill, do you know what I mean? So yeah, just feeling my eyebrows. So I'm just going in with my LA Pro concealer in Toffee, and I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. Ooh, that's too much. I'm just going to get a brush that looks like this, and I'm just going to blend it out, guys. Blend, 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 blend. So I'm just going to get my Huda powder in banana bread, and I'm going to set my eyelids. That's it. Guys, just to let you know, I'm a football coach and I'm constantly in the sun, and my neck and my face no longer match, and it's a bit political, but well, there's nothing I can actually do about it. And it's peaked there because, like, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to wear a foundation that matches my face and then it doesn't match my neck? Do you know what I mean? You're going to see a clear difference. I'm going to be looking like one of these Scouse girls, and respectfully, I don't want to look like these Scouse girls. Do you know what I mean? Or do I want to match my neck and have a lighter face? I'd rather that. Do you know what I mean? Because then I'll be matching my neck. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and it's the Morphe 35B palette. So this is how it looks, guys. Very colourful. I'm just going to start off with my bronzer, Mega Bronzer by Revolution. I'm just going to go in with that first. I don't think I can go in with any of them just as it is, because that's scary. I need something closer to my skin tone first. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go to this orange. It's much orange. Just blend, blend, blend. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this purple then I'm just going to get another brush and I'm just going to blend it out. Then I'm going to go back in with more. blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to go even darker, guys, and I'm going to go use this shade. So guys, I'm just going to go even darker, and I'm going to use this blue shade. Love that. I'm just going to mix both. I'm going to go in with this pink shade, and I'm going to go in with this purple shimmery shade, and I'm going to comment with something. So guys, this is the current situation. This is how I look. I'm just going to add some eyeliner. So guys, I've just stuck my lashes on. I'm going to move on to my foundation now. I'm just going to go with my foundation, and this is Max Factor's Face Finity All Day Flawless Flexi Hold Foundation. Let's see if it's my shade, guys. If it's not my shade, don't judge me, okay? Oh, this is so peak. Guys, I actually give up. Like, I can't, like, this looks bad on camera, guys, but in person it is looking a bit like my skin. Can't cap, but I'm gonna hide my neck because it looks so bad when you compare it to my neck. I'm just gonna go in with the concealer I used before for my eyebrows. I'm just going to spray my face with the Revolution Matte Fix Spray. So now I'm just going to blend out that concealer. Tap, 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 tap. Next, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer in Tan Sand, and this is a hydrating camo concealer. We love a good right on the eye. I look crazy, guys, but honestly, just trust the process. I'm just going to go in with the MUA Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer in 185. I'm just going to on my cheeks, and I'm also going to get the LA Pro concealer in Beautiful Bronze. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to set my face with my Huda Beauty powder. This is actually like the best powder ever, and if you guys do not have it, I suggest you go get it, because my makeup when I wear this, can't, like, it lasts all day and I don't even get creases. Just gonna get a bigger powder, and I'm gonna set everywhere else. What I'm going to do now is get my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder in 220, and I'm just going to set my face as well with it. Now I need to add some colour back into my face, guys, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow mini palette from Primark. Usually I would go in with this shade of like bronzer, but I'm feeling like more orange today, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna get this brush and I'm gonna apply that. It's good. Now that's what I'm talking about. Pack that on. Make your forehead look smaller. Blend, blend, blend. I can already see it coming together. Look beautiful. I'll be real, guys, I don't really know where blush goes. Like, I just pack it on anyway. More time just above my bronzer, but a little bit on my nose as well. And then I'm gonna get the same brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Cute. I'm gonna set my face now. So now I'm just gonna use this sleek highlight palette and I'm just gonna use this shade here. Now for my lips, I'm just gonna get this Morphe in Toasty. I'm just gonna outline my lips. Then I'm gonna get this Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. Then I'm going to get this Essence Lip Plump. It's from Wilkins for like £1.90 or something. And I'm going to put that on my lip. Then I'm going to spray my face again. Did I not tell you guys to trust the process? I can't lie, that foundation was looking mad before, but you know, I've worked with what I had and I've made it work. I can't lie. To be fair, in person it kind of matches me, do you know what I mean? I think because I'm using a ring light that's really light and I'm using my room light as well, it kind of made it look like it wasn't my shade. So guys, if you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say Eid Mubarak. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Hilale with 4 Y's, because I want to see how cute you guys look. I want to see if anyone recreates this makeup look as well. Make sure you guys holler at me if you want any of the names for any of the products I've used or any of the shade names. So yeah guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back again with more makeup videos, inshallah. Bye.